Hi guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make picadillo. Picadillo is usually like a stewed ground beef. I'm gonna add diced potato to mine. It's gonna be so flavorful, so easy to make. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to do, so here in this large pan, I have some cooking oil and I allow it to get hot. It is over medium-high heat and we're going to go ahead and cook our bell pepper and our onions. I am using red bell peppers, but you can use green, any bell pepper you like. I usually use green or red. I'm gonna cook that there like for 3 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat until it softens up. Once our veggies are softened, we're going to go ahead and add some minced garlic, give it a nice stir, and we're gonna cook it there for 30 seconds to a minute. You will start smelling the smell of garlic, and then we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. I am using 93% lean ground beef, and we're gonna add it into the pan. We're gonna break it up with the spoon as much as you can, and we're gonna cook it for about 8 minutes. You want to make sure that the meat is nice and brown. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. Once your ground beef is nice and broken up, you're going to go ahead and season it. I'm gonna be using some adobo, some cumin, some red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. I'm gonna put the measurements and everything in the description box, so don't worry. So after 8 minutes, my meat is nice and brown, so I'm going to go ahead and add some tomato paste. Give it a nice mix and mix it until it's well incorporated with the meat. I'll give it you could cook it there for about a minute. Once you have incorporated the tomato paste with the meat, we're going to go ahead and add some water. Give it a nice stir. We're going to go ahead and add some manzanilla olives. This is a combination of olives and capers. Just add some in there, give it a mix, and we're gonna cook this here over medium heat for about 10 minutes with the lid on. After 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. These are some roasted potatoes that I cut into small cubes. You want to cut them like maybe ½ an inch thick. They don't have to be the same size. Just make sure they have the same thickness. So add it in there, and we're going to mix everything together, and you're going to cook this here until the potatoes are softened. That will take like 15 minutes. I'm gonna finish it up with some fresh cilantro that I'm just gonna sprinkle and mix through. And there you have it, you guys. This is so delicious and so easy to make. It's like dinner under 30 minutes. You can serve it with white rice. That's how I like to eat it. Serve it with some white rice, and there you have it. I hope you get to try it. If you do, let me know how it tastes, and I see you next time. Bye.